Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all of you in Pakistan International School 5 Virtual Learning System Session 2020. I am your math teacher Shahbaz for grade 4. In grade 4, dear students, you have page number 26 is included in your scheme. In page number 26, you have divisor with 2 digits. Dear students, before this you have done some divisions with 2-digit number, and now you will learn how to divide with 2-digit divisor. In page number 26 you have question number 1. In question 1, part A. In part A, you have question 542 divided by 48. 542 divided by 48. Dear students, in division, you know that we take first this one, this hundreds. This first digit is 5. Is less than 48, so you will join 2 digits, these 2 digits. Now it's 54. 54 is greater than 48. Now you will guess how many 48s are equal to 54 or less than 54. Okay, here you will do your rough work. 48 multiplied by 2. 2 8s are 16, 6 will be here, 1 will be carried. 2 4s and 1 19. Dear students, you can see that this 96 is greater than 54, so you will take 48 1s are 48. 48 1s are 48. And now you know that we have to subtract 4 minus 8 is not possible. You will take carry from here. It will 4 and it will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 4 minus 4, 0. Now you have to do this one. It will come here. It will join the 6. Now it's 62. Now you again guess how many 48s are equal to 62 or less than 62. You can see that this is very near to 62. So you will read 48 1s are 48. Now you again to have subtract 2 minus 8 is not possible. You will take carry from here from 6. It will be 5. It will be 12. 12 minus 8, 4. And 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now there is no other digit, so and you see that this is 14 less than 48, its remainder. Okay, this question finished. Now you have question B. Question B is 719 divided by 62. 719 divided by 62. Again you will see that this 7 is less than 62. So you will join 2 numbers. Now it's 71. And you can see that this 62 is very near to 71. If you read the table of 62 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. It's 124. 124 is greater than 71. We need equal to 71 or less than 71. When we guess 62 ones are 62 1 minus 2 is not possible. You will take carry from here. It will be 6 and it will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now you have another number. It will come here. It will be 99. You will again guess 62. 2s are 124 is greater than 99. So you will say 62 1s are 62. Now you subtract this one. 9 minus 2 will be 7. 9 minus 6 will be 3. And there is no other digit, so it's 37 is less than 62. So you will say this is remainder. Okay, dear students. Now you have another question. C. In C, you have 605 divided by 23. 605 divided by 23. Here you have same rule. 6 is less than 23. We will combine this. Now it's 60. You will guess how many 23 are equal or less than 60. You will guess 23 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. It's 69. It's greater than 60. Our guess is wrong. So you will read 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Now it's 46 is less than 60. 23 2s are 46. Now you subtract 0 by 6 is not possible. You take carry from it will be 10 and it will be 5. 10 minus 6 will be 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Now you have another number, it will come here. Now it's 145. You will guess how many 23s are equal to 145 or less than 145. Okay, dear students, you will guess 23 multiplied by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 will be carried. 6 2s are 12 and 1 13. It's very near. 138 is very near to 145. So you will write here 6. 23 6 are 138. And you will subtract this one. 5 minus 8 is not possible. You will take carry from here, it will be 15 and it will remain 3. 15 minus 8 will be 7. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now you can see that this is smaller than 23 and there is no digit. So you will see this is also remainder. Now your next part, D. Part D is 816 divided by 35. 816 divided by 35. Here it is less than 35. You will combine two numbers. Now it's 81. So you will guess how many 35s are equal to 81 or less than 81. When you multiply 35 with 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 7. It's 70. 70 is very near to 81. So 35 2s are 70. Now you subtract 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Now this 6 will come here. Now it's 116. You will again guess 35 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20, and 2 will be here. 4 is 12, and 1 14. Now it's 140 is greater than 116. You will multiply by 3. 35 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 here, 1 will be there. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. Now it's 105 is very near to 116. So 35 3s are 105, and you will subtract this. 6 minus 5 will be 1. 1 minus 0 1, and 1 minus 1 will be 0, and this is smaller than 35. It's called remainder. Okay, dear students, I did 3 parts: A, B, C, and D. Another 4 parts are homework: E, F, G, and H. And we will come to next question number 2. In question number 2, you also have the name. Look, question 2, part 1. Write these variants in long form and work out. Question number 2, A. You have 621 divided by 36. 621 divided by 36. This division is also this. This is dividing side. 621 will be inside, and this will be outside. 621 divided by 36. We have same process. This is smaller than 36. You will join these two numbers. Now it's 62. How many 36 are equal or less than in 62? You can guess this. 36 multiplied by 2. 2 6 is 12. 1 will be carried. 2 3 is 6 and 1 7. It's greater than 62. So you will see that 36 1 is 36. 6 is not subtracted from 2. So you will take carry from here. It will be 12. 12 minus 6 will be 6. 5 minus 3 will be 2. Now it will come here. Was you can see that this is 261. Now you will guess this. How many 36 are equal to 261 or less than 61? You will multiply with greater number. Multiply by 8. So just you will have to guess. 6 multiplied by 8. 6 8s are 48. 8 will be here and 4 will be carried. 8 3s are 24 and 4 28. Now it's 288 is greater than 261. So you will come to multiply with 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 will be here and 4 will be carried. And 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25. Now it's 252. 252 is less than this one. We will subtract this. 252. Now you have to subtract minus 1 minus 2 is not possible. You will take it from here. It will be 5. 11 minus 2, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. You have another number. So this 9 is less than 36. This is also remainder. Okay, students. Now you have part B. In part B, part B is 800 divided by 76. 800 divided by 76. This is also along division. You write this inside the division sign. This 76 is outside. Now you have two numbers 80. 76 is very near to 80, so you will say that 71 6 are 76. Subtract 0 minus 6 is not possible, so you will take carry from here and it will be 7. 10 minus 6 will be 4. 7 minus 9 will be 0. This will come here, it is 0. We cannot read the table of 76 because 40 is smaller than 76, and you will put this 0. This will be here, and this is called remainder. Next, part C. Part C is 718 divided by 42. 718 divided by 42. So you have to write this one, 718 divided by 42. You can see that this is very near to 71. 41 2s are 42. And subtract 1 minus 2 is not possible. You will take carry from here. It will be 6. It will be 11. 11 minus 2 will be 9. 6 minus 2 will be 2. You have this number here. Now it's 298. 298 and you have divided this one 42. You will guess how many 42s are equal or less than 298. Multiply by 6. 6 to the 12. 2 will be here. 1 will be carried. 6 4s are 24 and 1 25. When you multiply with 6, it will be 252. And if you want to check with 7, 7 to the 14, 4, 1 will be covered, 7, 7 4 the 28 and 1, 29. Oh, now this is very near to 298. 42, 7 are 294. 7 are 294. Now you have to subtract this one. 8 minus 4 will be 4. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Now it's smaller than 42. It's remainder. Okay, students. Next part is part D. In part D, you have 956 divided by 83. 956 divided by 83. You have to write in long division. This 83 is 9, so we will combine. It's 95 is very near to 83. You will say 183 is a 83, and you have to subtract this. 5 minus 3 will be 2, 9 minus 8 will be 1, this 6 will come here. Now it's 126. If you want to check this, 83 multiplied by 2, 2 3 is a 6, 2 is a 16. So it's greater than 126. You will say 183 is a 83 and subtract 6 minus 3 will be 3. 2 minus 8 is not possible to cut this one, it will be 0, it will be 12. 12 minus 8 will be 4. So this is your remainder. Okay students, you have question number 3. Question number 3 is also division. It's a little different. In question number 3, he said that write these divisions in long form and divide. Divided 385 and divisor is 24. Dear students, you are dividing. This is division sign. 385. This is called dividend. And this one 24. It's called divisor. What is this? This is divisor and this is dividend. Okay? Keep in mind. The process is same. 3 is smaller than 24. You will join this one. This is 38. This is 24. You can guess this. 24 is very near to 38. So you will say 24 ones are 24. And then subtract this. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now you have another digit. It will come here. Now it's 145. Okay, students? Now you have to guess this 24. How many 24s are equal or less than 145? Okay? You will do your rough work. 24 multiplied by, we guess, with 5. 5 4s are 20. 0, 2 will be carried. 5 2s are 10 and 2, 12. You can see that this is 120. And if you check with 6, 6 is a 36. 3 will be carried. 6 to the 12 and 3, 15. This is 156 greater. So you say this 5. 5 24s will be 120. Now you subtract this one. 5 minus 0 will be 5. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will be 2. Sorry. 6 is 36. 6 will be here. 3 will be carried. Oh. I don't know. This is 24. Sorry, this is 24. 24 multiplied by 6. 6 for the 24. 2 will be carried. 6 2 is 12 and 2 14. It's 144. is less than 6. 6 24s are 144. Now we will subtract this one. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. It's remainder. Okay, now you have part B. In part B, you have divisor 57, divisor 57 and divided 640. Divided 640. So you know that dividing 640 will be inside and 57 will be here. 6 is smaller, so you will join these two numbers 64, 57. Okay, 57 is very near to 64, so you will say 57 multiplied 57. And now you will subtract this one. 4 minus 7 is not possible. You will take carry from here. It will be 5, it will be 14. 14 minus 7 will be 7. 5 minus 5 will be 0. This 0 will come here. Now it's 70. Again, 57 is very near to 70. 57 ones are 57. Now you have to subtract 0 minus 7 is not possible. So you will say take carry from here. It will be 10. 10 minus 7 will be 3. 6 minus 5 will be 13. There is no number. So this is 13 is smaller than 57. You will say this is remainder. Okay, dear students, we did 2 parts of question number 3. This was question number 3, and this was part A, and this was part B. We did 2 parts of question number 3, and other parts are homework. What is your homework? You will do this by yourself and submit to your teacher. Homework, math page 26, question 1. We did 4 part A, B, C, D. You have E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. And question number 2. We did 4 part and E, F, G, H homework. And question number 3 also we did 2 part A, B, C. Sorry, A, B and C, D, E, F your homework. C, D, E, F. These are your homework, and you will do yourself and submit to your teacher. Okay, students. Inshallah, we will meet you with you in another video.